we will solve some questions of exercise 3.2. I hope you will understand all these questions. So let us start our lesson. Page number is 65. The exercise is 3.2. First question is find the common logarithm of the following: 232.92, 29.326, 0.00032 and 0.3206. So in solution, first part is 232.92, as we have to find its logarithm. So let or suppose x is equal to 232.92. Taking log on both sides, log x is equal to log 232.9. It can be write in this form also, or in round form. So as we have to take logarithm of 232.9, so we have to break into two parts. First part is integral part, which is known as characteristic. The second part is decimal part, which is known as mantissa. So first one is characteristic or CH. When we write this number or ordinary form into scientific notation, the power of 10 will be 2. So this 2 is our characteristic or CH. For mantissa, we have to see the value of 23 in 2 and 9. So below the 2, parallel to 23, the value is 3655, plus below the 9, the value is 17. By adding these two numbers, we get 3672, which is mantissa. So we have to assign decimal between characteristic and mantissa. Then we will get log x is equal to 2.3672. In part 3, 0.00032. So let x is equal to 0.00032. By taking logarithm on both sides, log x is equal to log 0.00332. So its characteristic is 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4, and we have to see in 32 in 0. So when we see in logarithm table 32 parallel and below 0, the value is 5051. So log x will be equal to minus 4.5051, which is the logarithm of 0.00032. Question number 2. If logarithm of 31.09 is equal to 1.4926, then find the value of the following. Here log 3.109 value is same, only its characteristic will change, whereas its mantissa will remain the same. Its characteristic is 1 and mantissa is 4926. So 4926 is remain same and its characteristic will change. Here characteristic is 0, so 0.4926. Characteristic is 2, so 2.4926. Here characteristic is minus 3, so minus 3.4926. Here characteristic is minus 1, so minus 1.4926. As we have to see in 31 below 0 and below 9, always the mantissa will be 4926. So in question number 3, find the numbers whose common logarithms are 3.5621 and minus 1.7427. In part 1, 3.5621, as this is the logarithm of any number, So we suppose that log x is equal to 3.5621. X is equal to anti-logarithm of this. So in anti-logarithm table, we have to see in parallel to 0.56 the value of 2 and 1. So parallel to 0.56 in anti-logarithm table, below 2 we get the value 3648 and below 1 is 1. So by adding these two values 3649. So the value of x is equal to 3649 and we have to assign the decimal after 4 digits because its characteristic is 3. So by adding 1 in characteristic we get the number 4. So after 4 digits we have to assign decimal as x is equal to 3649 and this is our answer. And all other parts you have to done yourself on your neat copies. Students, I hope you will understand all these questions. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, रुकना नहीं, पढ़ना है. This is a slogan of native. खुदा हाफिज.